If you now take a look at the BMI calculator class, you can see that there is a method named getBMIScores. It accepts a list of coders and returns an array with BMI scores of double type. Now we want to unit test this method and check if we get correct arrays. Let's go to the BMI calculator test class and create a new test method with the following signature. Void should return correct BMI score array when coder list not empty. Remember about the given when then parts. And now for the given part, we may actually copy paste the list of coders we created 2 tests ago. One more thing we need is an array of double type with the expected values. I pre-calculated those. You can pause the video and type them yourself. Now in the when part, we expect a double type array named BMI scores by invoking the BMI calculator class method getBMIScores with the coders list as the argument. Alright, and now you might be tempted to write the following assertion: assert equals expected BMI scores. Let's try to run this test and see what happens. Unfortunately, it failed. You can see that even though the expected and actual arrays have the same elements, they are 2 different objects in memory. Assert equals fails because it checks if both arrays are the very same object in memory. In order to properly test array equality, we need to compare each pair of elements separately. Luckily, there's a ready-made assertion for this purpose, and it's called assert array equals. Now, if you run the test, it passes. Let's try to deliberately make the test fail and run it again. We are going to change one of the values. And if we run the test, you can see the following error. Array contents differ at index 0. Expected 18, but was 18.52. Alright, let's make the test pass again. And there we go. So that's it when it comes to comparing arrays. Never use assert equals, use assert array equals instead.